The acting's fine, but dandruff, can you fix it?
Did they like me?
Yes, but you've got to change the shampoo.
But won't dandruff shampoos make my hair dry?
Here's the hair and scalp shampoo you can use every day.
Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
It's got vitamin E
That's good for the skin.
and scalp. This new Sunsilk keeps the hair dandruff-free, while Nutrilite Complex nourishes hair. It's the one you need to keep scalp and hair beautiful.
It's over. Hair just keeps getting better.
Only from Sunsilk Hair and Scalp Care Shampoo.
Basta kasali na ang pamilya ko, ibang usapan na yan. Eh, mikrobyo na ang kalaban eh. Dala niyan, impeksyon, sakit. Kaya sa akin, hindi uubra yung alkohol na pa-baby-baby. Dahil hindi naman binibaby ang mikrobyo eh. Pinapatay. At may bibisa pa ba sa 70% isopropyl alcohol? Kung sa mga ospital nga, itong gamit eh. Kaya sa pamilya ko, Green Cross alcohol lang. Labang ka.
Tough mamas choose Green Cross.
Mare, may bagong Tide Bar. Double action. Dirang madaling matunaw. Aber, 2, 3, 4 na oras. Ang iba, lusaw na. Pero ang Tide, buo pa. Double action. Subukan nyo. Ibang klase to.
Okay to. Dahil walang makakapantay sa inyong pagsubaybay sa kanilang murang isipan. Let's do things together. Know what your children are watching. Strengthening Filipino family values through television.
It's gonna be a rocky night with Martin late at night because he's gonna have the two of us good-looking people as guests.
Yes, the two of us for the first time here in Martin Late at Night.
Yes.
Watch it as we sing Jingle Bell Rock.
Have the merriest Christmas ever with Martin Late at Night, Mondays through Fridays, midnight-ish. Dito lang sa may Paskong punong-puno ng puso, ABS-CBN.
My Christmas wish is that every single child will be happy on Christmas, so is everybody. And orphans will find a nice family that will love and care them just like their own child.
Mga kaibigan, 13 taon na po si Enrique na nag-e-enjoy ng masasayang Pasko sa piling po ng kanyang bagong nanay na si Miss Zenaida Bibot Amador. Magandang gabi po, Tita Bibot. Thank you very much.
Good evening, Sharon.
Thank you po for the pleasure of having you on the
Thank
show.
you for asking me.
Ay, salamat po. Anyway, we'll go straight, dive in.
Sige.
Paano po ninyo na-adopt si Enrique? How did you come across him?
Well, they say that you don't choose a child chooses you, no
I
matter
see.
how. So I had a friend na sabi niya, maraming bata na nangangailangan ng magulang kasi ayaw sila nung magulang nila. So, ito sa'yo. Eh di, bahala na sa tanda kong ito.
Dinala po sa inyo.
Oo, di
Ayun.
sabi ko, bahala na. Kung kakain ako, kakain siya. Kung hindi, pareho kaming tiis.
How old was Enrique then?
Several weeks old.
Several weeks old only, imagine, no? But, you know, in a way, Enrique, mabuti yon kasi you grew up with her na, di ba? Pero ang kaibahan po ng pagtrato ninyo kay Enrique dun sa iba pong nag-adopt, pero marami rin ang katulad ninyo na umpisa pa lang, aware na yung bata na they were adopted, di ho ba?
Sinabi namin sa kanila, kasi 6 kami magkakaibigan, nag-adopt kami. Sabi namin sa kanila, wala pa silang 3 taon nun. Siyempre, kailangan pagsasabihin mo yon, yakap mo yung bata. Sasabihin mo, alam mo, hindi kami kailangang nanganak. Pero ikaw, kinuha namin dahil mahal ka namin. Yung iba nanganganak dahil wala na mangyari.
Yung iba nga.
Nanganak na.
Oo, tulad ni Megan kanina.
Oo. Pero kayo, pinili kayo. So you're chosen children and you are loved. And that's why you're here.
I have a sister-in-law and some very good friends who've also adopted children. And they say nga that is what they tell their kids also. Like my friend says, pinili kita. I chose you. That is so different. It means so much more. Well, you know, it means a lot also. Eh, hindi po ba kilala kayo, Tita Bibot, sa teatro na, naku, ang reputasyon ni Tita Bibot, eh talagang Hitler. Yung talagang stricto, disciplinarian. I wonder, Enrique, is she the same way as a mother? Is she?
Yes.
Yes? You've seen her pag nagdidirect siya ng plays.
Yeah, many times already.
So she's pretty much the same towards you also, disciplinarian and all.
Yes.
But are you afraid of talking to Tita Bibot? Like, do you approach her and say, I have a problem, Mom, and you know?
No, no.
No, you can talk to her openly about anything. That's one more good thing, eh, no? Yung hindi lang porke nag-adapt, inaalagaan na ano.
Saka sabi ko sa kanya, ano sabi ko sa'yo?
The truth will set you free.
That's true. But sometimes, first, it will make you miserable. No,
Pero
but that's
after-
true. Always the truth, Iho, because it always comes out in the end anyway.
Lagi sinasabi, sabihin mo yung totoo, hindi ako magagalit.
Ayun. Tama ho yun, hindi ho ba? Actually, for all parents, dapat gano'n eh. And Enrique, I want to ask you something. I hope you don't mind. Pero, you know, kunya never mind, your mom has always been open with you. Hindi ba na you know you're adopted and all. Pero, when other people bring it up with you, do you get sensitive? Naha-hurt ka ba? Or how do you feel that you're adopted?
I feel good.
Really?
Yeah. Because she adopted me. Then my parents they don't accept me, but she did.
That's true. You know, Enrique, you know, you thank your lucky stars every day. Thank the Lord every day because someone really chose you. That's the whole meaning of it eh. At kung babalikan naman po natin, Tita Bibot, yung I know na marami na kayong pinagdaanan eh. Enrique's only 13, pero kung mababalikan po ninyo yung panahon na he was less than 1 year old, ano po yung pinagdaanan ninyo noon na ayaw nyo na pong daanan ulit?
Well, bago siya mag-isang taon, nagkasakit siya. Sinabi nung doktor, kasi matamlay siya eh. Parang hindi siya masyadong makalakad, yun. Nanghihina agad. Dinala ko siya sa doktor. Sabi ng doktor, meron siyang PDA. Kasi sa ilalim, when you give birth, dapat yung merong veins dun sa ilalim ng puso mo na kailangan magkahiwalay yun. Eh yung sa kanya, hindi naghiwalay. Maybe mahinang cares ng mother before. So anong kailangan? Sabi ko, kailangan pa-opera mo yan. So dinala ko siya kaagad, pina-opera ko siya. Parang yung mukha niya nung iniiwanan ko siya sa recovery room, parang, what are you leaving me here for? Pero nakatayo na siya kaagad. Malakas siya. But syempre, matagal din yung operasyon kasi you have open chest surgery. May scar pa siyang malaki dyan.
My God.
And, pero ngayon, he is perfectly normal. Kaya lang, sabi ko, salamat din sa Diyos na may oportunidad akong parang I gave him birth. Kasi sabi ng doktor, pag hindi siya pinaopera, mamamatay siya. Kaya sabi ko, di para na ding nanay ako talaga dahil in a sense, I gave him some...
That's true. You actually gave him life.
Well, that's
Of course, the Lord gave him life, the doctor helped, but you are the one that made it
And
possible.
all my family was there, you know. Nini Quezon, who is my aunt. Mareka, my sister-in-law. Everybody was there. Kasi matagal, nakaka-nervyos. Pero awa ng Diyos, dun sa recovery room,
Okay
yung
na.
iba matatanda siyang pinakamalakas dun na.
Naku. Pero you were less than a year old, hindi
Oo,
ba?
oo.
Bago po yung operation, sabi nyo, tinitignan niya kayo, nakakaintindi na siya. What were you...
Sa isip ko, hindi naman ako pwede dyan.
Oo.
Diyan ka lang.
Pero what
Parang
were
ganun.
you telling him to assure him?
No, just, assuring him,
Ayun.
touching
It'll
him.
be okay.
Siyempre, hindi pa, wala pa siyang 1 year old eh.
Do you have any memory of that?
Naalala mo ba yun, Tien?
No.
Sometimes kasi, di ba, kahit medyo matanda ka, you remember
Some things.
moments in your childhood, I mean, early childhood, like 2
Oo.
years old. There's one memory I really remember very well.
Really?
Yung mga ganon,
Oo.
nung bata ka, di ba? Anyway, Enrico, so you know you're adopted, you've been with your mom for 13 years, happy with her, you're going to a good school, CSA, where my nephews go. Gusto mo bang makita pa your real parents? Did you ever meet them? No.
No.
So, do you want to meet your real parents?
No.
No, you don't feel the need for it? Talaga? Sa bagay, I'll tell you one thing, Iho, you cannot miss what you never had. Besides, you have better. Isn't that right?
Well, I don't know about that. But anyway.
I think by the child's actions and words, I think it should be evident. I think he's
Well.
happy with you and he's grown up to be so well-behaved.
He's a very nice boy.
He seems to be, yeah. Well, Tita, thank you very much po. Alam nyo, napakaswerte po ng marami sa atin dahil po kahit na medyo mahirap ang buhay, wala na pong hihirap mga kaibigan dun sa wala po kayong tunay na pamilya nagmamahal sa'yo ng totoo. Kaya po sa abot sana ng ating makakaya ay let us spend good time